Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset the TPMS on your Ford vehicles. I am going to use the 2013 Ford Mustang which I have over here, but this process should work on all Ford vehicles, which includes the Ford Mustangs from the year 2007 because that is when TPMS was added to Ford vehicles. Now if you have the key style, then you have to turn the ignition on and off. If you have the push button style, you'll follow the same process. Just do not turn the car on at any time when you're trying to reset the TPMS. We are also going to use this TPMS reset tool which I have, and the link to this, the specific model which I am using, can be found in the description of this video. Now, before we get down to the actual video on how to reset or relearn TPMS on your Ford vehicles, a few pro tips. One, make sure your tires have enough air pressure. For my vehicle, it says 32 psi, so make sure you have enough tire pressure. Next up, take your car around for a drive for 10 to 15 minutes. And then the next thing is a pro tip about the TPMS reset tool. How do you use this, or how do you align this? So when it comes to bringing this near your tires, all you have to do is bring it near the stem valve, which is the place from where you put in the air in your tires. And then all you have to do is, you will see an arrow. So this arrow needs to point towards the stem valve, put it on the rubber part, and then this green part needs to face towards the rim. So we are not doing it like so. We are doing it like this. That is all you need to do, and then press the button once and it should do it within 10 to 15 seconds. If it does not do it within 10 to 15 seconds, then press it one more time and then let go of the button. Next up is the sequence in which you need to move this tool around. So you will go from the driver side front to the passenger side front to the passenger side rear to the driver side rear. So left front, right rear, and left rear. That is the order which you need to follow, and that is a clockwise order. What we need to do, we're going to put our key in the ignition and we are not going to turn it to on position. So just put the key in the ignition. And now I'm going to press and hold the brake pedal for 2 seconds. And here it is. Here is the brake pedal. 1, 2. Now I'm going to turn the key to on 3 times, stopping at on. 1 on, 2 on, 3 on. Press and hold the brake pedal now for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let go. Ignition off. And then 1 on, 2 on, 3 on. And you heard that honk? And if I let go of this, it says train left front tire. So that is what we're going to do next with this tool. We're going to take this tool over here and then place it over here where I have the valve. Press this once and wait for it to train it, and as soon as it is done training it, you should hear a honk. Now once you've trained the first tire, then you go around in the sequence in which I told you. It is going to tell you in the console also that what tire needs to be trained next, and once all the 4 tires have been trained, you're going to hear a honk, and at that point you have successfully retrained the TPMS on your Ford vehicles. If you hear a double honk, that means the process was not successful and you have to repeat the process.